Hey everyone, welcome back to Techful Things. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to see all your saved passwords for Facebook, Instagram, and other accounts, right from your phone settings. So if you've ever forgotten a password, don't worry, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with Android users. Here's how you can find your saved passwords. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Google or search for Google in the search bar. Tap on Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab. And scroll down to find Password Manager. Here, you'll see a list of all saved accounts. Tap on the one you want. Authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or phone password. Boom, your saved password is now visible. You can copy it and use it to log in. Now, let's move on to iPhone users. Here's how you can check your saved passwords on iOS. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. 3. Use Face ID or enter your phone passcode to access saved passwords. 4. You'll see a list of all your saved accounts. Tap on the one you need. 5. Your password will be displayed. You can copy it and use it to log in. And that's it. Now you know how to find your saved passwords quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.